Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa lobby namin. Ang kasama ko sis
Ladi mo na kilala mo lagi.
wait lang. Welcome back to my channel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Charlie's. This is Charlie's. They have 55 rooms. And right now, meron tayong promo which is 3,500 per night from 10,888. So right now, you have 3,500 per night for 2 person. So as you can see, we have a swimming pool. Yeah, we have one swimming pool and also one other one here. Yeah, this is the villa. This is the villa. Yan. Tapos meron kaming deluxe room na accessible sa pool. Yan siya. So this is a standard room. And this is the premier room located there. Located there. Yan ang aming premier room. Zitan, sipag naman. Be. 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 Ang ginagawa mo? Yes, and this is our restaurant, the Charlie's. Yan, for the pag mag-breakfast, dito yung breakfast, lunch, dinner, and this is our kitchen. And this is our bar. So here. And kita pa rin yung bar. Hi Sean, mag-hi ka naman sa vlog. Hi. Alam, di makita babe dito. Ayan, Sean.
Hi.
This is Sean from our coordinator housekeeping. Sila yung nagme-maintain dito sa cleanliness room pre ng hotel ng Charlie's. So, kung meron kayong mga local friends na andito lang sa El Nido na hindi na kailangan i-quarantine, you can book us for only 3,500 per night and also included the breakfast, and you can use the facilities here. We have a swimming pool, gym, and what else? Yeah. And also we have free shuttle going to town and more. You may check our website www.charlieselnido.com. And ilalagay ko sa description yung link ng Charlie's. So sana mag-book kayo. guys, nandito kami ngayon sa lobby namin. Ang kasama ko si
Wala, di mo nakakilala, walang iya.
wait lang. Naano ako sa'yo. Ang gwapo niya kasi guys. Anyway, executive housekeeper namin na si Sir Peter. Hi Sir.
Hello, alam niyo
Yan.
itong si pamagat mo kasi? Si Luke.
Ano yun?
Si Luke, the best yan, no?
Ano movie ni Pamagat?
Napakasipag na
Ano ba yan?
tao, ano nga,
Yeah.
napakasahan. Yun.
Masyado
Pwede
pang
mag-
plastic.
Pautang naman.
Pag nakamilyon na ako, sir, papautangin. Hindi lang kita
Yeah.
papautangin, papainumin pa kita.
Yeah.
As you can see here, oh, wow, it's so nice. So, sa mga hindi pa naka-visit dito sa Charlie's, you can book us for only 3,500 per night. Yeah. So, from 10,888, di ba, sir?
Yeah.
So, down to 3,500 because of this situation, I think, of COVID-19. So, sa mga nandito lang, yung mga local na tourist or local na gustong ma-experience yung Charlie's, it's perfect time na para makaligo kayo dyan, oh. Gusto mo, Lord? Ang sarap yun.
Yeah, no?
Pwede ba, ano? Pwede pa rin hanggang ngayon, sir. Makakaligo pa rin kami weekend pag walang guest. Pwede pa rin.
Basta wala.
Basta wala, di ba?
Para safe tayo.
So, ito tour ko lang kayo sa station ko, guys. So, this is our front office lobby and front office station. So, usually, dito kami nag-check-in. Yan. Process ng check-in. And, right now, pag may mga guests na kami for check-in, kailangan na lang i-scan yung QR code na to, and then in-room check-in na siya agad. So, wala nang transaction na mangyayari dito sa front office, kundi i-briefing namin yung guest through telephone call na lang sa room nila pag naka-check-in na sila. And also, we have how to protect yourself guidelines dito. And ito, may barrier din kami. Siyempre, para maiwasan yung para maghawaan. It's also, this is protocol naman ng DOT, required yan. No? So this is our lobby while waiting sa mag-check-in. Yan. Look at that. See. And this is our van cluster. Yeah. And this is our thermal scanner. Magana ba ito? Wala pa. So pag mag-check na naman siya po. So, pupuntahan natin yung family room. This is the comfort room, guys. Ito yung CR ng pag may waiting kaming guest dito sa lobby. Ayan. So, pwede sila mag-CR dito while waiting. Habang naghahintay ng check-in. Let's say, kumbaga, may nagantay sila going to tour or for check out. Ayan. Pwede siya. Ang hirap mag-vlog ng kamay na. Selfie lang. So, yan. So, this is upper ground. 121 to 101 and this way. Let's go into our family room. And look at the view outside. So nice, so relaxing. See? Balik na tayo. Pagod ako. Bye! Uwi na ako! Mag-book na lang kayo sa Charlie's.